This is Maria Kilios here. In regards to this video, I will be speaking about GetResponse, the email autoresponder that I've been using for a couple of years now. I recommend this autoresponder for anyone, and it's one of the best softwares out there. The good thing about it, it's so easy to use, and you get 30 days free. You don't have to put any credit card details in. You get the 30 days free. It's full access, and then it starts from $15 per month. You can send emails to your list. You can create a list, which means a list of people that subscribe to one of your websites, your online business, your e-commerce, whatever business you have online where you're collecting subscribers, customers, and you want to communicate with them. So what you need is a landing page like this one. For example, this is the actual landing page for GetResponse. So as you can see, they've got a little title heading here, saying everything you need to reach out to your customers, and when you put your email address in there, you will get the free access for 30 days. So the same with your business, you need your own capture page, front page to your website where people will put their email address or their phone and their phone number, if you're doing text marketing as well. So what they will do, you can actually create your own landing. If you don't have any landing pages, I recommend, I offer a bonus for anyone that joins me in GetResponse. I give you a free marketing system where you can create a landing page. It costs $997 for the marketing system, but today I'm giving you that for free when you sign up, and you can get the basic package. You can get the 30 days free here, but the offer that I'm giving you is a bonus which usually costs $997, but I'm only giving that to people that actually upgrade their GetResponse account to at least the $15 basic level. So once you make that payment of the $15 with GetResponse here, I will send out your free marketing system, which costs $997. So I will see that, and then I will know who's bought it. So everyone that joins me will get that system for free. You have to be at the $15 package with GetResponse. With GetResponse, you can write out your own campaigns, your one-off campaigns. Let's say you have a plan of sending one email a day to your subscribers. You can write one out and send it off, or you can also write an autoresponder, which is a sequence of emails over a period of time. So let's say you want someone that subscribes to your capture page, your business, and wants to learn more, they will automatically get emails to their email address for a certain amount of days. So let's say you write out an autoresponder, you have to write out, let's say, for example, you want them to receive emails for the next 14 days. You will write 14 different emails in your autoresponder, and then you will save it, and it will have 14 emails in there. So as soon as they opt in to your capture page on your business page, they will automatically get those emails sent out to them, so you don't have to do anything else. It's an automatic autoresponder. So you can add more to it in the future. You can add less. So if you want 3 days of autoresponder, 3 days. If you want 14 days, 14 days. If you want 60 days, you can have 60 days. It's up to you. This is why it's good to have an email responder. You have your subscribers in one place, so you can send them all your offers. People buy through you via email. You can add links in your email campaigns. You can add text, images, buttons where they can click on a button. Like this one, for example, in front here of get responses, capture page. They've created a button. It's exactly how you can see it here, and you can create your own. So online marketing platform, email marketing, you can actually have landing pages. You can create some basic ones, but as I said, people that join me in the $15 package with Get Response will get the free $997 marketing system for free. Automation, as I said, the autoresponder, conversion funnels. You can actually create a funnel with this as well, basic funnel, but you get that in. You can get that better offer, better converted offer via the marketing system that I'm giving you, and also. This company is trusted by big and small brands, as you can see here. Inbound marketing solutions for what you need to do, grow your audience. Over 1 million leads generated monthly, and you can read about it. I will put the link below this video, below my video, and you will get the link. Join via that link so you can get my bonus offer, which is the $997 package. So as you can see here, email marketing, email creator, autoresponders, email analytics, landing pages, marketing automate. You can actually create webinars, sign up form, paid ads. You'll learn how to do some paid ads there. And then here you will see what I mean about the packages. So if you're paying monthly, you can either pay monthly or annually. Monthly basic package for a list of up to 1,000 is $15. So joining me by the link below this video, you will upgrade to the $15 package here, and or above if you have a bigger list. So the price changes if you've got a bigger list. If you have an existing list and you need more, you can choose whatever. So for you to get the bonus, the $997 marketing system from me, is you have to pay the 15 or above. And then you get the other packages as well, professional packages. So you can always you get support. Their customer support is excellent, guys. Anytime you can call them or you can chat live with them 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is good for people that want to generate leads, sell their knowledge, work from home, engage customers, boost online sales for entrepreneurs, online marketers, marketing manager, and that's about it, guys. So when you come in at the $15 package or above, you will get my bonus marketing system for $997 for free. So I will contact you as soon as I see that you've made that payment. and then you will get some help from me to set up your list and upload any current list that you have, and any other help. I'm always there to help you guys. So this is Maria Kilios, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.